Members of the
This is
public,
one of the worst experience I had
the
traveling
person
by
you see
road.
standing
So on this
here
day, I boarded a bus
is
from
a pregnant
Lagos to Kogi State.
My Naija people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a story wey be say it just happened. Mr. Peter Obi don come fire bad man take give President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and administration after we be say Ukraine people that donate 25,000 tons of wheat to Nigeria to help Nigeria fight against food scarcity for inside Nigeria, where they affect about 1.3 people them wey dey for inside northern Nigeria. As Peter Obi come the yarn, say this one dey very laughable. Say Ukraine wey be say that they fight war, now they come dey help Nigeria with food. Meanwhile, Nigeria get enough land wey be say they suppose use they do farming. Plenty hungry people for inside Abuja don come block another truck wey be say carry food like rice, corn, beans, and all of them dey for inside bag. Now so they carry the bag of food, then they go their house because of hunger and scarcity of food wey dey happen for inside Nigeria. This begin happen on Monday, March 4 to 2024 for inside the area of Abuja.
It's a rampage. Bros, come here. So what is happening this morning?
Oga, we are dying of hunger.
Yes.
So we got to sneak in and find what to eat.
That's right.
The Vice President of Nigeria will be Kashim Shettima don come dey talk as he come dey beg Nigerians say make dem dey show their anger of the hardship wey dey happen for inside Nigeria small. Say make dem dey show am in a responsible and matured way. And he yarn this talk during the 29th pre-Ramadan lecture for inside Unilag wey Muslim alumni dem organize. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu during the Nigerian Qatar Business and Investment Forum wey they do for inside Doha on Sunday, March 3rd to 2024, as he come promise them, say in government he go deal with any Nigerian government official wey go ask them for bribe. As he come they tell the Qatar investors them, say when they report any Nigerian government officials them, we go ask them for bribe. One Nigerian lady don compose this video as she come dey yarn her bad experience when she travel for road. They say she dey go to Kogi State from Lagos State, wey be her own state. Say before you know, na so the driver come carry the go follow another road. Before she open her eyes when she dey sleep for inside the motor, she come see the motor one climb enter inside one local ferry wey they wan cross them take enter another area where the motor go continue to dey run. They go to the side where they go. As she come dey yarn say this one na bad experience to say because she no expect this kind thing from the driver, and the driver no let them know at all.
So on this day, I boarded a bus from Lagos to Kogi State, my state. 5 hours to the into the trip, I decided to take a nap.
And after a while, I think the lady beside me woke me up that I should come out and see what is going on.
Follow this route because we had no other choice. We were in the ferry for like 30 minutes.
The Emir of Kano wey be Alhaji Aminu Ado don come dey beg traders and say make dem reduce the cost of foodstuff and other goods them for Muslims them, so they go fit observe the Ramadan wey be say it go start anytime soon, and they no go too stress the people that will say they go do Ramadan. And on Sunday will be March 3rd to 2024. Now him come out to come yarn this talk for inside Zaria during one book launch wey be say in talk. The House of Representative Public Account Committee don come dey tell all the private airlines, they say they give them 1 week for inside Nigeria to give account of the 4 billion naira wey be say federal government give them to fight the COVID-19 pandemic during the time we say COVID-19 worried the whole world. As I come dey yarn, say that they must give them all the details how they take spend the money. If not, say may they refund all the money back. The Lagos State government don come dey talk say they go stop hawking and selling of things for street, and the Lagos State must stop all those traders that will be say that they put their goods, they sell them near the road, walkway, on top gutter slab, setback road, median, veg, and also caps. Then say they must stop people to the settings around those areas, and on top their X handle. Now they come out to come yarn this talk on Sunday will be March 3rd, 2024. Some Igbo traders that wait there for inside Kwara State don't come provoke, come do peaceful and not agree protest against the Kwara State Internal Revenue Services. Say because of the way we say they use mobile court to come lock up some of their traders, them shops, and they don't let them tell no. As a contract, say them will be traders say that they pay their taxes. So say this thing will be say the Kwara State Internal Revenue Service they do. Say na intimidation, and they won't just try to intimidate them.
Kwara Igbo Traders Association here in the Kwara State.
And even before the KWRS inception, we have been on existence, paying our taxes to the purse of the government without any problem. But what we are saying is that we are against mobile court to come to somebody's without even notification.
The Lagos State government don't come out to come here. Say they go make sure say tenants go they pay their house rent monthly and not be yearly again. And they go make sure say they go charge the rent according to the monthly salary or gain we say the tenants they make every month. And say before the end of this year will be 2024 or next year 2025. Say they go make sure say this law go don't stand gidigba and they go start to the work for inside Lagos State. This man don't compose this video as he come they cry for help, come they provoke. Say in go buy 10 doors where the man charge am 1.6 million naira. Now so he don't come ready, come pay the money for the doors there. We make the seller come give am receipt. Say 2 hours later when he come back, he come carry truck who won't come carry the doors them come out for there. Say now so the man where they sell the doors, come tell am say no go release the doors. They give them again. Say because the doors don't increase to 2 million naira. Come talk. So let's say the man go balance am 400,000 naira. If not, he no go release all these doors there. We say the man don't pay already. They give the man.
I actually bought doors from this man this afternoon. Doors have been paid for, only for him to come later and say it was paid for. Only for him to come 2 hours later and say it has increased from 160 to 200,000 naira, which I'm not ready to pay.
The Ogun State Calabar Police Command don arrest one Cherubim and Sarafin pastor wey name be Adeleye Dada Dollar. Say because he for snack because of the daughter of one of his church member wey the girl name be Adekunle Kabirat. Come give the girl belle and he don dey knack the girl pickles for many years now. As the girl mama come out to come the yarn, say him beat the girl because of the girl misbehave for house. Say na so the girl come pack all her bag and everything that he run, they go the prophet house. As he come call the pastor for phone call and the pastor not pick. Later the pastor come call the house, come they pretend like say he not see the girl. Meanwhile, the girl dey for inside in house when they knack the girl pickles or even come give am belle.
What's the man's name?
Adeleye Dada Dollar.
Adeleye Dada
Dollar.
Is he a pastor?
Yes.
Which church?
Kewu and
What's the parish name?
Ijolo Olule se Ogbalayo Babolomo Wewe.
Ṣàánú fún mi, oṣù ní gbórí wa. Wọ́n bẹ̀ mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Bó ti jẹ́ pé tí mo ṣe náà kò ṣe tó dára. Tí kì í ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí ni ó jẹ́ ìpín mi.
The Ogbonge Nigerian musician will be Paul Okoye of the P Square, aka Rude Boy, don't compose the video of where the Ogbonge Nigerian comedian will be John Ikechukwu Okafor, aka Mr. Ibu, website he don't move. Come they pray for him, they even they thank him, as in take assist him and also support him well. They will be saying they for sick bed.
Rude Boy, if you not go heaven, call me Nama. You will go to heaven and will sit down in the presence of the angels. We eat together. And with the again make them wow.
Now Bishop News O'Clock, my name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.